You're watching one of Goalie's Goal Mind lessons, where we teach kids health, hygiene, and even safety skills. Go to getgoalie.com to learn more.
Oh, hey, Poppy. I'm all ready to go to the arcade.
I still can't believe that you haven't been to one. They're the best.
Whoa, you sure packed a lot for the arcade. I should call you Pac-Man. Hey, why do you have all those shiny discs?
Shiny discs? No, Zach, they're coins, for the arcade.
Coins? I thought those were only for making wishes by throwing them in water.
Well, you can use them to make wishes in fountains. But they also are worth money. You can save them in a piggy bank, you can use them at stores to buy things, or you can take them to the arcade.
Wait, coins are worth money? No wonder Flashback Grandpa was so mad that time I was making wishes. I wish for a pony. I want a race car. I want a giraffe. I want blueberries.
Flashback Zach! What are you... Flashback Zach!
I've heard of coins, but if I'm being honest, I've never actually used them for anything but wishes. I guess they've never really made sense to me.
But Flashback Zach, that's exactly what coins do. They make sense.
How does it make any sense that they make any sense?
I don't mean to be a space invader, but it sounds like you need a crash course on coins. Our arcade trip just turned into a lesson. Let's go!
He's learned many lessons, his life is absurd, tripping and stumbling on every word. Who's that?
It's Flashback Zach.
Welcome to our classroom, Flashback Zach. Coins aren't just shiny, they're the key to all these games.
Wow, coins and games? Talk about hitting two birds with one coin?
I don't want any angry birds here at the arcade, so let's leave the birds out of this. But I am excited to teach you more about coins.
What all do I need to know, Poppy?
Well, our first lesson is going to be coin identification. We need to be able to tell the difference between the coins we find in our life. For instance, there's a big difference between a quarter and an arcade token.
I've seen that there are a few different types of coins with different shapes and sizes. What do they all mean?
That's exactly what we'll be learning in Lesson 2. What is the value of different types of coins? Most of the coins you'll encounter in life are worth money, so it's important we know how much they're worth.
My grandma always tells me to know my worth. I guess I'll just have to do the same with the coins.
Not a bad idea, because once you know their value, it's easy to apply our third and final lesson, how coins are used. And I promise you, it's not just for wishes. You can also save them up and buy things with them.
Wow, Poppy, I have a lot to learn about coins.
Don't worry, Flashback Zach. Between my time here at the arcade and all the extra studying I do in school, I'll be able to show you exactly what you need to know to become a well-informed numismatist.
Hey, what did you just call me?
That's just someone who collects coins, Flashback Zach.
You sure do sound smart, Poppy. So, I think I'm ready to learn from you about coins.
I'm happy to teach you, Flashback Zach. Let's jump into our first lesson, coin identification.
Oh, well, I can identify a coin. It's just a shiny disc like this, right?
First off, where did you even get a CD? I haven't seen one of those in at least a decade. Second, just because something is round and shiny doesn't mean it's automatically a coin. The most common coins you'll see are the 4 that are worth money, and they definitely aren't as big as that CD.
What are the 4 different coins you mentioned?
The 4 coins that we see the most are the biggest of the bunch in both size and value, the quarter. The tiny little dime. The thick nickel. I give them the nickname Thick Nicks. And finally, the copper-colored penny.
Wait a minute. I thought penny was a penguin in the word lab.
Penny is a penguin, but it's also a coin.
Oh, okay. And these are all the coins that are out there?
Definitely not. But these are the ones you are going to see the most. Other countries have their own coins they use. You may be lucky enough to see a different country's coin every once in a while. But you can't spend those coins unless you're on vacation there.
Did you bring the right coins for this arcade?
Sure did. Although, I have been to a couple of arcades that have their own coins. People usually call these coins tokens. And they only work at the place where you get those tokens, like the arcade or the car wash.
Okay, I think I'm getting it.
Well, as your teacher for the day, I'm obligated to give you a quiz. So, let's see what we've learned. Which one of these is a coin? Is a compact disc a coin? Or is a penny a coin?
Don't worry, this class is not over yet. The rest of it is available on Goalie, the best skill building tablet for kids. Your kids will earn points for every lesson they watch and even get to practice with pre-made routines. You know the deal, like and subscribe, and tell us what you want us to teach your kid next.